In this quick video guide, we're going to have a look to BLOSM for Blender, which is an add-on that will help you get some Google 3D cities, OpenStreetMap, terrain, landscape, Urbanscape into your project. So let's just open here the first result, just search for BLOSM. And this is some pics that of the image that you can get. Now there are different levels of this. So the base one is free and you can use it. Otherwise, you can proceed with more advanced features. So we can see here there is also a representation of how the terrain would be imported and the various buildings. So here you can go into Gumroad directly, or you can pass through GitHub. So in GitHub, you will also find some information, some more information about the project, and also here you have the pro version and the base version. In this quick video guide, we're going to use the free version, so you can download it and install it for free and give it a try. And these are some examples you can do with the base version. So let's go. And also you have here the description and documentation for the premium version. Okay, so just click on I want this. You can put you can do a little donation here if you want, or just click I want this, and you need to put your email. And if you want, you can also put some ratings here for the add-on and etc. etc. So let's go straight to the point. Here you can click on the download button for the zip file, and really important, you don't need to unzip it. So keep it as a zip file, especially if you are a Mac user. Mac usually unzip it automatically, so you don't want to unzip it. Now here I just create a new folder in my Blender 5 video course folder, and I'm gonna put it in there. So I'm gonna create a new folder, call it add-on, and in here I will just save it. Okay, so once it's finished here, again, don't open it, don't do anything, just go into Blender. So this is the standard scene in Blender. I'm just gonna select everything here and delete. If you want, there is an entire Blender video course in the channel if you're interested. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna go to File. Actually, no, I'm gonna go to Edit, Preferences, and this is where you can manage all the add-ons and themes. So we go in the Get Extensions section here, and you can also try to search for an add-on in here, but if it's not in here, you need to get it and install it manually. So this is what I'm gonna show you here. So you can see here, if I search for BLOSM, there's nothing like that. So all I need to do is go here on the right side of this panel, this little arrow, drop down the menu here and select Install from Disk, and navigate into the folder where I save it. So I'm gonna go to the Blender 5 folder, add-on, and there it is. So it must be zip, otherwise it won't be visible here. Install, and just wait a few seconds, and it should appear now in the add-ons section. So if you go in the add-ons, there you go. Now it's already activated. Make sure the checkbox is marked. And another important setting here, click on this little folder icon and select a folder where you will store the information that you will download. So I'm just gonna go in the same folder here, the add-on folder, create a new folder, and call it, well, just BLOSM content. And there it is, accept. Now there are other more advanced features again for the imagery and the terrain and satellite information, but you need to get it separately. You will have like tokens to spend or something like that. And that's it. So we're gonna use the base feature, so we don't need all this stuff right now. Just close, and it will be found here in the sidebar. So let me also activate the screencast keys. So to open the sidebar, you can press the N key. So to open and close it, go all the way down to the BLOSM section, and here you need to start at the top. So first of all, we need to select an area. So we click on the select button, and this will bring you to a big map. So you need to get something which could be like a city or a landscape or whatever you want. So you click here and show the selection rectangle. Make sure the rectangle is not too big, otherwise it's not gonna be good for this export. So I'm gonna zoom here in Rome, and I'm gonna get an area, let's say a really big area actually. So from the Vatican City here to the Colosseum. So that's about 4 kilometers wide. So make sure you go through the selection here, select the area you want. Maybe it's a smaller area, maybe it's a bigger area. There is a limit to that, but that's the area right there. It's about 4 kilometers wide and 2.5 high. And just click on the copy button. Click on the copy button, and then just move back into Blender. So here, all you need to do is paste. So click on the paste button, and that will paste the information in. Now you can also make some other, selection here. So if you want OpenStreetMap, if you want terrain, if you want imagery, whatever, so select whatever you want here, and then you click on import. And also down there, you can choose if you want buildings or objects and water objects, forests, so the vegetation and whatever. Okay, when you're ready, click on import. Just wait a little bit because it's going to be a really heavy file. Well, the larger is the area, the heavier will be the file, but there it is. Now we just need to zoom out because we are really close. And remember, the grid in Blender is 1 meter, so that's 1 meter. So I need to go back here, and I start to see the various buildings. So this is, of course, a draft representation, but it could be good for the starting of a landscape project or like the localization of your project or whatever. Also adjust in the view here, adjust the clip end of the camera so you can see further than 4,000 meters, which means 4 kilometers. So you want to have a really long view to see everything, otherwise it would be cut. And there it is. So we have here a lot of information. We can see here also in the outliner, everything it's organized into these 2 folders. And here you can just turn it on and off, and also you can go one by one. These are all layers that have been joined together. So each one of these is a part of the map. So we have the forest, and we have the buildings, and we have water like the river here, and so on. So you can just explore now and have fun, and you can proceed by yourself exploring this tool. So it's really easy to use once it's downloaded, installed, and everything. It's you can go back also, and you can restart, and everything is set up. So just play with it and enjoy it. So, and also you can reload the page to select another area and do the import again. Okay, so this will be all for this video guide. Now, if you're interested in a similar tool or similar topics, you can search for in the videos here. We have other Blender add-ons. So just search for what you're looking for. In this case, would be like BLOSM or and also part of the geometry nodes video course. And also you can check the Blender Geese add-on, which is also a similar topic and really interesting. And also you have courses in the playlist section and in the courses section. And then you can subscribe to stay updated and join if you want to support us. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.